Dude, they closed my wet public swimming hole, and right on the spot, they put a ducking bank.
Oh man, do you remember that show No Gods, No Masters we used to watch? That was totally an episode they did, and we should watch it if I can find where I put that tape. Oh, there it is. Get cheese article. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, hey old man Slap, what's the problem?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, are you saying that they built a bank on the watering hole?
Yeah.
Don't they know that that's the only place that people can camp and swim without having to pay?
Yeah. Oh god, they just built a bank.
I know just a friend that can help us. Hey, Comrade Rogers!
Oh, hey Emma. Wow, it's been a long time since I've seen you. I think the last time was when I taught you how to make a structural fire.
Yes, it was, and that was so helpful, but we need your help today!
Really?
Yes, somebody built a bank on the wet place!
Oh no. Well, you know what? I have just the thing for that. Molotov cocktail.
Sounds delicious.
It is if you hate capitalism.
Oh, we do.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you know what? Come with me. And as a wise man once said, when I say that it's you that I like, I'm talking about that part of you that knows that life is far more than you could ever see or hear or touch. So that deep part of you that knows you need to stand for humankind. So that's why we need to burn down that dang bank, kids. All right, come on in, guys.
Wow!
All right, well, all we're gonna need is a few ingredients to get started. I think I hear the delivery train coming.
Yay! Well, how does it work?
Well, it's easy, kids. All you need is a friend of legal age to finish a 40-ounce alcoholic beverage. And don't worry, I got you on this one. 1 bottle.
Sorry.
Burping in the corner.
All right, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. So we got 1 bottle, and you put it in the bowl. And gasoline, you put it in the bowl. And styrofoam, if you want it to be sticky, it's a good thing. In the bowl. And 1 worthless rag, and we put it in the bowl. Now all we have to do is mix it up. And there it is, ready to party.
Wow!
It's a good thing, a really good thing, to burn down banks, because capitalism, no thanks.
Hey, do you like cheese?
Boy, do I!
Get cheese.